She wrote serialized pot boilers of the era. You know, she started writing, I think, in 1905. I think she started writing for the forward. Romantic, feminist novels and novellas, and I think partly autobiographical. And she wrote, I mean, not just these novels and novellas, but she wrote travelogues as well. You know, and so a lot of it, you know, obviously I haven't seen. Some of it was scuttled by my father and one of his brothers that I had come across. And, you know, it's hard, like, you know, if you were raised speaking Yiddish, well, then you can, you know, you read Hebrew, obviously, but I never learned Hebrew well enough to read it without the vowels, and as my parents could. So when I came across this thing, you know, I could kind of, this little diary of hers, and I'm not sure where I found, but I found it anyway, somewhere in the house. And I'm, you know, asking my father to, you know, can you translate this for me? I can't quite read all this Hebrew in, you know, in the Yiddish. And that was the last I saw of it. He and Uncle Sam got together. Oh no, no, this isn't getting out. So, yeah. So some of it certainly was a little risque, and you know. And I think of, you know, when she was writing this, I mean, my God, it was, you know, I mean, this is more than 100 years ago that she was doing this stuff. So it was unconventional.